in a whip, so I gotta zoom. They tryna talk, they not in a room. I've been so real, I'm down to the tomb. They got a way, they got a move. I got a gas, and one in the fumes. Told them way back, it's something new. Sit it down, you gotta choose. I'm taking my spot, I'm doing food.
¿Cómo estás, Christian?
Hey dude, how are you doing today?
I'm good.
What you got going on?
We got this Lexus full body protection. And right now I'm working on the front bumper. Ya acabo acá el fender, ya acabo acá.
Jingle bell!
Oh. What was that?
Tripping. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. It's never too soon. Dude, it won't turn off.
What's going on? There's a passcode.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh.
It's gonna play for hours.
Alright, it's getting turned off. It won't. Bells on bobtails ring. Making spirits bright.
The heck? That's to turn off the car.
Hey Siri. I like ceviche.
What are we doing with Woody?
Yeah, you never seen that? What are we doing to Gwitty right now? Never heard of that?
No, how do you do gritty?
You're old, bro.
What's going on? Another day in the life. What are these beautiful gentlemen up to today?
Morning.
Morning. Looks like a odd and rare quiet day. What are we gonna do? Solve some problems?
Some problems. Yeah.
Let's start some problems. No, let's solve some problems. Not start some problems. Which color do you like better? This one or this one? The peach orange? Brown? A rose? A rose?
Rosé.
Rosé?
The rose.
It could be. And some of the light.
I got that rose.
Alright. We gotta go pick up my wife's BMW.
What happened to it?
It's BMWs have a real high performance camber so they handle really good, but they eat tires, and I don't like it. So I'm trying to solve the problem, but it doesn't seem solvable right now. So I had the alignment check, can't make it any better. So now we're trying to find a solution without buying a new car. But I have to go pick it up for now because it's got to go get tires. Fun stuff. Who likes to buy tires? I don't. Yeah, I did. I had to find a trash can, and I don't like to litter. It was just the timing. Back of the truck and everything.
E320, 94. This thing's been alive more than me and some part other of my coworkers that's in their 20s. Oh yes, I do love working on these cars. They're my favorite actually. Just the vibes of the old cars, knowing the history behind these, whatever happened in these seats.
How do you like doing the tint on these?
I'm gonna give it like a 4 out of 10. I don't think I have to tell you. You just point the camera at it. Faded tint, old tint, nasty tint, cheap tint. My hands are all sticky right now, and they smell. Imagine like a smell of like grape bubble gum into a spray can, and they just sprayed it on my hand. That's what it smells like. If you ask anybody, they're all gonna lie to you about what they feel about this car.
And I love James the mostest. The mostest. Oh, I'm gonna have a blast. And you guys at home are gonna get to watch.
This is built in the 90s that they want to get their car retinted.
Bring it to Tony and Tyler's garage.
Always here to do these older cars. They enjoy this.
Tony and Tyler's garage.
Tony and Tyler's garage.
All I have is a T-handle.
Dude, what do you got in there, bro? You want some of the orange?
Nah.
Orders on good on doors. Literally like leaks orange everywhere.
Watch out! Watch out, bro.
What is that?
What do you mean, what is it?
What is that?
Ammonia and Platinum 4X by Dawn. A homemade concoction. Yeah.
Woo! Don't breathe that. Some fun stuff, man.
Wait, what? Oh damn. We like that sometimes, dog. You mind? That's cool.
Just completed this 2023 Z06. We had one just like it on Saturday that was here for multi-step paint correction and an XPEL Ultimate Fusion 4-year ceramic coating. This one is here for a XPEL paint protection film package. We did the full front so it doesn't get rock chips, debris, and you know, when you wash a black car, or really any car, it gets scratched up, gets swirl marks. All those are self-healing. So when the sun hits it or the engine or anything warms up the vehicle, it'll self-heal. We also did an XPEL paint, not paint protection film, but a window tint, ceramic window tint to block the heat, keep the driver and passenger cool. So these new Z06s are starting to come in. They are probably the most bang for the buck you can get right now. Amazing. They sound just fantastic. I'm really digging them. There it is.
I ain't hit them back, they stress. I'm needing honeys on honeys, cause that's what I'm worth. Show me the finish, I'm getting it first. Show me the best, and that's me and my worst. I need that money, I'm getting it now. I'm at the top, but I started way down. I told them hundreds of times that I'm really done waiting. I swear that I came for the crown.
So this week I wanted to talk to y'all about communication and kind of add a story to it. My son Liam, he's in Taekwondo. His master is a Taekwondo world champion. He just won the whole world thing in Las Vegas again with his team, and his business is really busy. And Liam's been a yellow belt for quite some time, and he hasn't moved up yet to the yellow belt with the green stripe. And I feel like he's gotten left behind, and I really don't know why. So I've been getting kind of frustrated, my wife as well, and it's really, we don't know why. We don't know if maybe he's so busy he's overlooking Liam, or Liam's not doing something he's supposed to do, or maybe something I did wrong. You know, I'm getting all this stuff in my head now, and really at the end of the day, it's our fault because we haven't communicated to the master that we have a concern. So, you know, at this point I understand I need to communicate with him. Maybe he has overlooked him. Maybe he's got so much going on that he really didn't realize that he did. We all have so much going on in our lives besides all of our customers, you know, and everything else. We got family drama, customers, friends, whatever issues that happen, and we forget about others sometimes. It's very common. So the thing we need to do, and my whole point of this, is communicate. Most of the time when you communicate, you'll find out that it wasn't a big deal at all. It was a mistake, and it can be solved fairly easily, painlessly, and quickly. But if you wait too long like I did, it becomes painful. You start making up stuff in your head that's not even true, and that's my point. So I'm hoping by the next video, Master Troy's like, you're right, he's actually pretty advanced. Let's test him. You know, I think that's what's going to happen, but I don't know because I didn't say anything yet. We're about to find out in 2 weeks. And that's it, guys. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, and we'll see you next time.